Well, we don't have like a switch for turning the car on end to end. We do have a startup sequence that consists of many buttons that you can press to turn on the car. So the first thing that you do is turn on the battery isolator. So this will connect the battery to the car, and that way you don't have to store the car connected to the battery overnight.
So there's a switch on the left side of the car with 4 different positions, and each one of them is very important for the startup of the car.
So in switch position 1, it sends a wake signal to the car and wakes up its power distribution system, code IPS. And after this, it then sends a signal to wake up the Raptor, which is our ECU.
So when we move into switch position 2, our main computer turns on. Pretty much everything from the computer that runs it, to the sensors, to the LiDARs, and the networking switch which connects everything together. So at this point, the sort of all the electronic system of the car has been set up.
Switch position 3 starts an actuation test for the drive-by-wire system. So what that means is we test the full range of motion of the wheels, and we apply different brake pressures to make sure the brakes are working. This is very important because if we fail this test, we cannot go out on track.
So after the actuation test is complete and we pass, we then go into switch position 4, which pre-cranks the motor. This then allows our motor to start up once we request an orange flag from race control, and then our car is ready to go out onto the track.